Like he mentioned himself just now that yes, we were playing some, I mean that was a chapter which was very abruptly closed, and my brother and I would request him to restart it, so we would like to gift you a sarod today.
पैक लेना लॉन्च पैक लेना
I'm just asking you, Abhishek, do you remember any of his lessons?
आप पीछे हटो भाई साहब हेलो अनाउंसमेंट आप पीछे हटो
भैया ये दोनों खड़े में आजू बाजू मैं क्यों बच
अभिषेक एक बार उंगली लगाइए आप.
Okay.
Abhishek, just one shot. Sir, Abhishek, sir, 5 seconds, sir. 5 seconds by yourself. Slow down. Okay.
Boundaries to further their music and to make it more accessible to a generation which listens to a different sort of a sound. I think they've managed to create a wonderfully new sound for the sarod. They've presented the sarod to the world in a very unique manner and a very novel manner, a manner in which the sarod has never been heard before. And I'd like to compliment them on that, and especially Times Music for helping them do this. Thank you for helping them fulfill their dream. Lastly, just before I keep quiet, is I remember slightly over 20 years ago in New Delhi, there were 3 young brats sitting on the floor with baby sarods in their hands. Happened to be the 3 of us. We all started learning the sarod at the same time. They had a slight advantage. They lived with the best in sarod. And so whenever I would mess up, Amaan, Junior was too young then, and I'd bully him. But Amaan would very quickly jump and pull rank because he had learned the sarod for 6 months longer than I had, and teach me how to do it properly. And that this is the way your finger should be, and this is the way I should hold the sarod, and this is how you should sit. Today, it's wonderful to see that they're stepping into my domain. That expression in that last shot, Amaan, I felt should have been slightly tweaked down because, I just feel it maybe slightly over the top. So I'd like to welcome Amaan and Ayaan to the camera and in front of the camera. They deserve their place in front of the camera. They deserve a lot much more for doing what they're doing to the sarod and to classical Indian music in general. Well done, boys. All the best.
Well, it's the moment of truth right now as we are about to launch.